What is up, Sturgis? This is Caleb here with Allen Auto Detailing, located over here in Sturgis, South Dakota. Today we are performing a one-step paint enhancement and ceramic coating on this 2007 Toyota Tundra. But while I'm doing that, I wanted to answer one of the biggest questions we get asked here in our ceramic coating and paint correction business, and that is, why should I get a ceramic coating? Really, why do I need a ceramic coating? Why should I get it? What are the benefits? So I'm going to break it down into three simple answers. Number one is the long-term aspect. You can think about it like you're buying more life for your car's paint. We've all seen the cars that are basically not shiny at all. They have very little clear coat and they just have no gloss or depth in the paint. And that's what happens to cars over time due to UV damage. But you don't want that to happen to your car, and basically a ceramic coating is really the answer. It'll prolong that. Like I said, it's buying more life for your car's paint or clear coat. So the number two reason is the ease of maintenance. Not only does a ceramic make your car really easy to maintain, but it also makes it really hard to get dirty. Basically, a ceramic creates a really high surface tension that repels dirt and dust and water and anything it comes into contact with, actually. Um, and it makes it really hard to get dirty, but then when it does get dirty, the dirt basically just falls off the surface. The number three reason is the scratch and etching resistance that a ceramic brings. So ceramics are the number one, the most scratch resistant form of paint protection you can get in the detailing industry. And not only that, but they are very etching resistant also. Basically, instead of tree sap and whatever else, pollen etching into your car's clear coat, it'll etch into the ceramic coating, which is obviously a lot better than your clear coat, right? So, if you have any other questions or comments, or if you're interested in ceramic coatings and live in the Black Hills, South Dakota area, please feel free to contact us. Our website, Google business page, phone number, and email are all hooked up in the description below. Please don't hesitate to contact us, and we will talk soon.